Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Dive, and today we're diving deep into the latest leaks around the Nothing Phone 3, which might just be the boldest challenger to the iPhone and Samsung's flagships in 2025. The Phone 3 is rumored to bring a revamped Glyph Interface, smarter AI integration, and possibly a camera system that takes the brand to the next level, with design once again at the center of the experience. Starting with the leaks, the device is expected to launch in two sizes, featuring a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and ultra-thin bezels. This time around, it's not just about looks. The performance is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 or a custom Nothing tuned chip, making it capable of flagship speeds without blowing the budget. The US market has been particularly curious about whether Nothing can finally crack the premium category here, and this launch could be it if priced right. The Phone 3 might fall between $499 and $699, with premium features like wireless charging, IP68 water resistance, and even a unique AI voice assistant rumored to be in development. The Glyph interface is also getting a serious upgrade, allowing for real-time info flashes like ride arrival timers, caller context, or smart home alerts, making the phone feel more alive and connected without having to unlock it for every little thing. Carl Pei has hinted at working more closely with US carriers and retail partners, which means for the first time we might see the Nothing Phone on shelves at Best Buy or possibly even Verizon or T-Mobile stores, which would be a game changer in terms of accessibility, especially since one of the main complaints from US fans has always been availability on the design front. Leaked images suggest a matte aluminum frame with a back panel that retains the signature transparent look but now has cleaner glyph patterns and a more refined edge. The camera bump appears to be more flush, and the ultra-wide and main lenses are expected to feature Sony sensors with significant upgrades in low light and video quality. And if the rumors are right, Nothing may also debut their own image processing pipeline designed for social-first photography that rivals what the iPhone and Pixel do so well. In terms of software, Nothing OS 3.0 is also in the works, aiming to be more minimal and cleaner with faster animations, new widgets, and deep customization controls built on Android 15. The OS will reportedly include tighter integration with Nothing's earbuds and potentially a new smartwatch or smart ring, making it part of a growing ecosystem. Now let's talk about why this is even more important in 2025. With AI becoming a core part of our phones, users in the US are expecting smarter contextual features, and Nothing is teasing just that. From voice replies to generative lock screen info to camera scene detection, the Phone 3 could surprise us all. And if the battery rumors are true, with a 4700 mAh cell and 45W fast charging, the phone isn't just about aesthetics, it's got real flagship level endurance. So is the Nothing Phone 3 finally the iPhone killer in the US? Maybe not entirely, but it's definitely the closest any startup has come to shaking the duopoly in years, and with the right price, performance, and software support, it could finally be the phone that gives people something genuinely new to try instead of going back to the same old options every year. Let me know in the comments, are you considering the Nothing Phone 3, or do you still think iPhone and Galaxy devices are unbeatable? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell, because more leak breakdowns, reviews, and launch coverage are coming right here on Digital Dive.